Well, what do we have here? It's June 6th, Laps for Charity. Got the car pretty much cleaned up. There was some flaws that I had to take care of, you know. Things do happen. Last night I got the car, I was doing about 60, had to go wash it after dinner, and I was like, man, washing the car, and my body guy said he'd take care of it, he'd cover it. But it just looks sad, you know. Did have planned to have pictures today, so I'm only going to be taking pictures from the rear. But I'm going to go ahead and make my way out there, and I will see you all shortly. Alright, I hope I can get a pretty good little... Damn. Thank you all. Yes, sir. can't believe I missed some shifts though. That's embarrassing. When you heard me rev line, it was a missed shift twice. Late shift, missed shift. Bad driver. Woo, that's 105. My car ain't that fast. She's slow. And I'm cruising right here now. No gear. It's idle, neutral. That was nice. That was nice. Let the Pro Charge GTO take me over. 15,000 miles. Ah, man, these guys. Hopefully we got some good 360 footage as well from Ruben's GoPro. Laps for Charity is over. I had a pretty good time, man. Some more GTOs came out. Orange one, a red one. Just sucks participation isn't what it used to be, man. I don't know. The Texas GTO page seems to be blowing up. I mean, in the past 6 months alone, I want to say close to 100 people have joined. So you're telling me there's 100 plus GTOs, 100 more GTOs or new owners with GTOs staying in the DFW area yet to take their cars out? So why'd you want to join the page if you don't want to participate? I'm confused, but oh well, man, it is what it is. Can't complain too much. Thank you for those that did show up. It was a good time, good chats. I'm gonna go see this Patty the Batty Pimbleton take his freaking belt back from Rab. Yeah, definitely was a good time. Shout out to the GTO, the G8 SS guys, DFW Holden, mainly Ruben, you know, always puts on a good show. Everybody likes that guy, very charismatic guy, so shout out to him. He put his 360 cam on my car. We'll see how that turned out. Hopefully got some good footage. They did it a lot different this time. I think we had 15 cars in total this time from what I counted, maybe 16, 17, and yeah, they had 2 pace cars on there this time, and we were back to back. Last time it was a little bit better, where 10 cars deep, and we definitely got to open it up a little bit more. But it is what it is. Definitely still a good turnout. You know, it is. I got the car up to probably 110. I don't know. It's hard to look down, and these little shift points, 3rd to 4th gear right there. Third ends at 90, fourth, and you're already coming close to that, what is it called? You're coming close to a turn. You're gonna hit a bank. But yeah, appreciate you guys. I want to say, look forward to the next meet. Probably gonna try and hit a track day next. XRP, Extreme Raceway Park in Ferris, Texas. Be on the lookout for that. Probably be out there on a Sunday, you know, just doing a slow car day. You know, the drag guys, hopefully they show up. Oh, I can't drive my car nowhere, man. I'm on slicks. But y'all show up and y'all do that for Texas 2K. Yeah, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. People gonna hate me because I say what I say, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Brung what you brung, man. What else is there? Head back to Dallas, like I said. I believe that's everything. I apologize. I'm just gonna post. This video is gonna be really short. It'll probably just be all pictures. I need to get the due speed installed, get the car retuned, and maybe a cam's coming. The cam's definitely coming because I need to take a look at something. And there's so many cops over here. GPI stage 2 possibly, then another re-dyno, and I want to try and make it out to Holden onto the Dragon out in the Carolinas. I believe it's an 18-hour drive from me, maybe, give or take. I might be wrong. So if I can get the car out there, I believe I need to change the brake light bulbs from LED to stock halogen because that messes with the cruise control. I've yet to verify, but we're gonna find out, and we'll post that video when I do. And if I can get cruise control back, then I'll be definitely happy to try and take this car. You know, I love these seats. They're amazing, but just got to get them reupholstered or swapped to aftermarket. We'll see. We'll see. You know, money comes, money goes. Life's too short, you man, to be not wanting to drive your car that you put so much money into. You know, so. But all right, y'all. Enough banter from me. Enough complaints. Doing 85 right now. Yeah. Of course, always amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.